are grateful to our sponsors, Kelly Stafford with Stafford Tree Service, and also Black Cow Cow Manure. If you need your trees trimmed locally, remember Stafford Tree Service at staffordtreesvc.com. And please visit Black Cow Cow Manure, that's K-O-W. Remember, both of the contact details are in the description below. The elephant bush. Now this plant isn't really big, but if you had masses of it, you could see where some of the elephants would eat upon this because it's got a lot of water in it, and that's important. A lot of people in Mozambique and other areas of Africa, South Africa, will eat this because it's high in vitamin C, and it also has water, so it can replenish people who are in drought conditions. I don't know if I'm going to put you on a diet of this, but my son said he is thinking of a diet of elephant bush is going to be the healthiest thing for him, and he's recommending it for you. So you probably are going to be healthier if you are like elephants and eat this as a health treat. Vitamin C is important, and many plants are high in vitamin C, and this one included. Kind of a succulent plant, has kind of pretty reddish stems, and I could see that using it on a porch or patio, using it in a rock garden area, or used in a xeriscape situation, it could be a good choice. Kind of a hamburger helper plant, and the purplish stems kind of bring out the little tiny green leaves. They're kind of succulent-like, and they feel like that. So it's a novelty plant that many people would enjoy. I would probably still improve the soil a little bit. I'd add some peat, I'd add probably some black cow. I would really improve the soil, even though it will grow in pretty tough conditions. If you want it to look its best, then give it everything you can to have the success that you're looking for. So even if this plant could grow in some desert-like conditions, and it can, it's going to do better where it's getting water on a fairly regular basis. Now, you don't want to overwater it because you could increase the chance of some fungal problems, some root rot problems. But keep this plant a little bit on the drier side, but don't put it in the Sahara Desert either. And to improve the soil, give it full sunlight, about 6 hours of sun a day. As far as fertilizer, maybe, I'd use probably just a regular 666, a general blend fertilizer, and do that about every 3 to 4 months during the growing season. You'll find that this elephant bush is one that could be a conversation starter, and one that you won't have to worry about too much in your landscape. You could take cuttings. You can see that it would probably lend itself well to that. By propagation, I'd probably use a little bit of rutone, indole acid, a little bit of rooting hormone would probably help it start getting those little rootlets coming on if you stick it into a container. Elephant bush is one that you might have in your backyard landscape to have something that's pretty tough and pretty interesting for the landscape. Once again, we want to thank you for telling all your neighbors and friends, all of your clubs to sign up and become subscribers. It costs them nothing, and it also, of course, makes us happy that we get big numbers, and we thank you for those big numbers. Once again, thanks for watching.